In primetime news this evening, under pressure, medical staff at Jamaican Hospital feel the strain from treating mass shooting victims. Trauma zone. Expert warns residents of Cherry Tree Lane will need mental support after disturbing episode. And repairs begin on failing infrastructure on new roadway in St. Thomas.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, JCC, has signed a memorandum of understanding with the VM Group. What's that all about? Well, I have the details of that and so much more in the Business Day later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Spencer Darlington has a preview of the big show, Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, one stakeholder says the Jamaican administrators could have implemented better preparation for the team to the just concluded Olympic Games in Paris. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what can the JPS do differently to ensure restoration is done in a timely manner after a major disaster?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail, right after the break.